TVCMALL discount tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video we're taking a look at TVCMALL. So let's get into it. So first things first, the website will be in the description below, and along with the website you'll find some promo codes and discount codes that you can apply onto your checkout page so you can, save a bunch of money. So let's get into it. Now TVCMALL is more like AliExpress and Amazon in a way, or eBay, whatever you want to call it. And it works pretty cool. You just come over to the website, you select the products you like, right? You have tons and tons of different products, and then you just simply buy it or add the cart, right? You can sign up as well. The link will be in the description below, so make sure you check that out. And they've got tons and different types of products. You can see right here. Click on categories. We've got cell phones, Samsung accessories, Apple, Xiaomi, Motorola, all of them, right? So it's pretty cool. They have the best sellers right here. New arrivals are over there. Different categories like home and garden stuff as well. And it looks pretty cool. You can see right here. They've got power banks, chargers, remotes. These are earpieces for AirPods and other devices, portable power banks. We've got, adapters, bunch of different ones. So you can select whichever one you want, even phone cases as well. So if you click on one, you simply hit the add to cart button. You can see right here, some of them have like special offers, like buy 3 pieces, you get a discount price right here. You can see right here, this is mostly wholesale rate as well. So if you want to go ahead and go with drop shipping, you can go ahead and do that as well. So you can, make some money as well. You can even add customization option as well. Then you just simply hit the add to cart button, click on view cart, and then just simply go ahead and buy it. It's as simple as that, right? You add your address, your payment, and complete, and there you go. It's as simple as that. You do need to sign in or register to get more discounts, so make sure you check the link. Then you just simply hit the proceed checkout. It'll take 3 to 7 days for the product to arrive, and they're good to go. So it's as simple as that. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and until next time, take care and goodbye.